Some of the most important concepts we learned this week was how to deal with disasters, hazards, and the cause of many disasters. And we learned that most of them are either caused by humans or they're natural disasters because of geophysical forces. And it's important to study the problem, implement solutions, and move on. And that's how you handle a crisis in general. And it's important to take accountability if it is a human-caused problem, and it typically is, actually. A theory that we learned was, it's this idea that disaster is an act of God, or that it's nature, which is considered physical, and the intersection of society, nature, and avoidable human construction, so that basically humans are the cause of it. It can be geophysical or societal, which is what I just said. And it's the thing is, like, part of the reason why humans do it, they basically put themselves in front of the disaster and they are the ones to blame. From a societal perspective, it's important to go to the victims and to get an idea of what happened through their eyes, because they're the one whose account that you're taking into consideration when discussing the disaster from a national level. And nothing was very confusing in this chapter. I pretty much understood it. It was just a lot of information to take in at once. A question that I would ask in class to students, if I had students, would be an opinionated question. I would ask, why do you think natural disasters are an act of God, or why do you think it's a part of nature? And then I would just go forth with opinions from the class. And that's about it. I really liked that this chapter dealt a lot with like how to solve things and like the problems that come with natural disasters. And I learned a lot of helpful facts, including like statistics on magnitude. I thought that was very helpful. It does make it more easier when I'm watching things that happen on the news now. I know what they're talking about when they say the magnitude of an earthquake or something similar. So that was nice. Overall, I enjoyed this chapter.